Welcome to Premier Property Group's centrally located Bend office. Nestled in historic downtown Bend, it's in a scenic location overlooking the Deschutes River and close to shopping, cafes, and restaurants. This unique office space is on the main floor for easy access. It features 2 suites, providing a modern and bright atmosphere with an open and contemporary design. You'll find plenty of room for individual work, including 3 drop-in work areas for agents on the go and 14 private office spaces. The conference room offers plenty of seating, TV, MLS access, and fast, reliable Wi-Fi. The full kitchen is equipped with free-flowing coffee and tea for you and your clients. When it's time to take a break, enjoy the expansive back patio. Overlooking part of the Deschutes River, it's a perfect place to enjoy lunch or have an outdoor meeting with your clients. In a separate wing also on this main floor, you'll find more offices and open working areas ready for collaboration. Premier Property Group's Bend office is comfortable, professional, and modern. For your convenience, it's staffed Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. You'll also enjoy plenty of parking for you and your clients. Come visit us anytime at 1133 Northwest Wall Street in Bend